Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate stickers on CapCut PC. So go to the stickers tab here and select any stickers that you want. I'm just going to select the sun one. Then just select animation and you have a lot of options. This is for the in animation. You have a lot of options. They have the out animation here. And they have this loop one, which I like, and you can also adjust the speed here. If you want it to be slower, slide it to the right. If you want it to be faster, slide it to the left. Oh my gosh, that made me dizzy. Anyways, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Also, I just want to mention you can then right click create compound clip and add more animations from the animations tab. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!